Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the app and a GA4 property ID. Now begin. First, add Next/script to your project and store GID in Next public GAID. Once done, create a tiny analytics util to initialize GA with gtag and a page view helper. Use environment flags so you don't send dev traffic to GA. Make sure to commit. env, local. Example with the variable name. This gets you from prerequisites to the first runnable integration. Step quickly and safely. Next, wire gtag into your app. Insert the GA script tag in app, JS or layout using Next/script after interactive, then call gtag config GID send page view false so you control page views. Once done, subscribe to router. Events. On route change complete, call your page view helper that sends gtag, event, page view, page path. You should also trigger a page view on initial mount. This lets you accurately measure SBA navigations and avoid duplicate. Finish by deploying with the public GID and verify in GA debug view. Watch for incoming page view events as you navigate. If you see nothing, check that the script tag is present once, that Next public GA ID matches, and that you're not filtering production traffic. Also inspect console to confirm gtag calls and network requests to Google Analytics. If problems persist, temporarily enable verbose logs in your helper and confirm router events. Fire. This usually reveals duplicated scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.